So in this video, you want to learn about how to create a great real estate video for your clients. I'm going to be sharing some tips and tricks, so let's just jump right into it, starting with the equipment. For a great real estate video, I definitely think there needs to be drone perspectives, especially to open the video. It's a great way to showcase the house. You can grab a ton of different angles that you would not be able to get from the ground, and it just brings the video to a different level compared to if you were just shooting it with your iPhone. Now, I know drones can be expensive. There's some cheaper drones out there like the DJI Mini 3 Pro, which offers some pretty nice looking 4K video for its price point and its size. It's definitely a drone that is very easy to learn how to use. I personally shoot with the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Once you've got the drone down, you definitely want to look for a great camera. Now, you could use your iPhone. I have seen people do it before. The iPhone shoots beautiful 4K video, but for me personally, I use a PANASONIC GH5. As long as it shoots great 4K video quality, that's really what matters. When it comes down to it, you want a gimbal, because a gimbal is going to give you that almost drone-like smooth flying experience through the shots in the house. So having a good gimbal is very important. DJI does make gimbals as well. So I'm using the DJI Ronin-S, which is a fantastic gimbal to use. And they do have newer Ronins now, but this Ronin-S still works even all these years later, and I don't feel the need to upgrade. It's really just about getting a very steady shot. If you're looking for a good gimbal for your iPhone, I definitely recommend the DJI OM4. I will leave a link to it below. It's very easy to set up, and it's something that I definitely would recommend to people that are looking to use their iPhone or even Android device for video. So now that we've got the equipment down and I've kind of given you a little background of what you're going to need to make a good real estate video, now let's discuss shots. So I always open the video with either some community shots or shots of the house. These are like the establishing shots. And as far as the overall video, I would not show every single room in the house. What I like to do is I like to show the main rooms where people are going to be most of the time, like the kitchen, the living room, the master bedroom, the main spaces of the house that are really the most important to showcase. I like to get nice wide shots of the rooms, and then I also get some close-up, more lifestyle shots depending on the home. And I find that these lifestyle shots really do make the video a lot better. Community shots are definitely optional, but they do make the video stand out a little bit more because you're including some of the lifestyle of what the homeowner might experience when they buy the home. Agents will really appreciate you getting community shots too, and it's definitely something that you could charge more for as an extra. Once you've got all of your shots complete, now it's time for editing. So if you are an amateur editor, that is definitely something that you're gonna have to work through. Now, there's a couple of different routes you can go with the editing. Either you can edit yourself using something like iMovie, or if you're more advanced to editing, you could use Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro, or you can hire an editor online. And there's a lot of different options for that. If you go on websites like Fiverr, maybe you're already a real estate photographer and you want to add video, so you're kind of looking at your options. And this is definitely, a very basic rundown of the things you're going to need, but this video should help you and give you some inspiration on what you're going to create with your videos and kind of give you a little bit of guidance as to what you need to get started. If this video helped you out at all, please give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. Until next time, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.